Hello my dear students. Today I will discuss about few more questions and answers. The topic name is File Management Organization of Data, Part 7. The next slide contains few more questions and answers. Question number 6. Write the steps to access the drives in the computer. Answer. To access the drives in the computer, the steps are as follows. 1. Click on the Start button to display the Start menu. Step 2. Click Computer in the pan to view all the drives and hardware currently connected to the system. Question number 7. Briefly explain how the hierarchy of folders and files is important. Answer. Windows Explorer is file management program provided with Windows accessories. The Windows Explorer illustrates the hierarchical arrangement of files, folder, drives and network drives on a computer. It can be used to copy, move, rename and search for files and folders. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 8. Define file, folder and a subfolder. How can you create a new folder? Answer. File. File are the documents saved on a computer for future reference and use. Folder is a container for files. Any number of folders can be created. A folder can also contain other folders. Subfolder. A folder can also contain other folders. These are known as subfolder. The steps for creating a new folder are as follows. Step 1. Open Windows Explorer. Step 2. Select the destination where the user wants to create a new folder. Step 3. Select New Folder option from the toolbar. A blank new folder is created with a default name New Folder. Step 4. This folder can be renamed accordingly. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 9. Describe the ways in which a file or a folder can be copied from a device or drive to another device or drive. Answer. There are following different ways by which a file or a folder can be copied from a device or drive to another device or drive. A. Using copy and paste method. B. Using cut and paste method. C. Using the navigation pane. D. Using multiple windows. E. Using organize button in Windows Explorer. Question number 10. Mention the steps to change a screen saver. Answer. The following steps are used to change the screen saver. Step 1. Open the personalization window. Step 2. Select the screen saver option from the window. The screen saver setting dialog box appears. Step 3. Select a screensaver from the drop-down list. Step 4. Click on Settings to tune the screensaver. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Step 5. Set the duration in the wait box. Step 6. After making the required settings, click on Apply, OK button. The desired screensaver setting are applied. Question number 11. Define a theme. Describe the process to change a theme. Answer. Theme. Theme is a specific set of pictures, colors, sounds, screensavers, wallpapers, Windows border, colors, mouse pointers and desktop icons referred under a common heading. To change a theme, the following steps are used. Step 1. To apply a theme. Open personalization window. Step 2. The list of themes will appear. Step 3. Click on a particular theme to apply it. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 12. List items that can be placed as a desktop background. How can you set the desktop background as a slideshow? Answer. Theme and images can be placed as a desktop background. The following steps are used to set the desktop background as a slideshow. Step 1. Right-click an empty part of the desktop and choose Personalize option. Number 2. In the lower left corner, click the desktop background link. Step 3. Select the picture for the slideshow. Step 4. Select Shuffle check box and set the speed of the slideshow. Step 5. Choose the drop-down list for picture position. Step 6. Click the Save Changes button and then the Close button. Students, in this session I have discussed few more questions and answers. Hope all of you have understand this part very well. That's all for now. Thank you.